So today we are going to do the lab exercise 9.1. So this is for section number 1, and for another section the drawing will be same but dimension will be different. So 9.1 with a different dimension, you need to draw as it is this diagram with the different dimensions. With the main dimension, don't consider tolerances during drawing. So here 80 plus or minus 0.5. So consider only 80. And then we need to dimension. We need to give the dimension. So draw as it is, and we need to finish this diagram in 20 minutes. Very simple. And how to draw, if you don't know, see my previous video how to draw this. And during lab you need to draw the same diagram with the different dimensions. And now next task, we are giving a dimension tolerance, geometrical tolerance, and surface roughness symbol, whatever as it is. So as it is, we need to give the surface symbol at that place only. And you need to complete this within another 30 minutes and upload this drawing for you maybe 2 p.m. because your lab will start 1 p.m. After 1 hour, you need to upload this diagram, and remaining other will draw another lab exercise with a different dimension to your section. This. So we have 1 week. This week we have two drawings for 7.5 marks. This drawing 7.5 and this drawing 7.5. So this drawing is very important and you have to try yourself. So already in previous video I draw this drawing, and now we will give the dimensions. So first, a dimensioning tolerance. So how to give that? So here first I will click the dimension, and whatever I give here, it is 8.05. It might become to you a 0, only 80 with not this dimension. I will show you this. I will delete it. Dimension style, DIM STYLE. Here you can see dimension style, modify, and tolerances. I give something. Okay, I will give you none. Okay, close. And now you can see here, if I give you, it will come 80. 80, true. Now I need to put the dimension tolerance. So select this, right click, you can click on property, and here you will get the same dimension style window, how you get it here. So this window, dimension style, DIM STYLE, dimension style, here, modify. The same option will be here, lines, symbols and arrow, text, feet, primary unit, alternating tolerance. This is with a symbolic representation, and here it is with text representation. Okay, so we can do from here or here, it is same, but I feel this method is very simple. So I will not do anything here, and here now see this is enable now. And now I will give you the dimensions here. See, this is 80. So general I don't need, we know plot style view. So I will click this and it will come here, dimensional general, lines, miscellaneous, lines and arrows, text, that we keep it everywhere, feet not important, primary unit not important, alternate. Now come to the tolerance. At the last there is a tolerance. So here you will say a tolerance display none. So I will click it here. So there are 3-4 types of tolerances, and in theory class I taught you basic. See here, basic means exactly I need to make it 80 diameter. There is no tolerance. This is called basic. What is meant by symmetrical? See here. Symmetrical means plus and minus same values. So whatever you need to give as it is, we need to decide. Then deviation, plus and minus with the difference values. Okay, and limit means upper limit, lower limit, say with addition and subtraction. So what is given to you, you need to see this dimension. So this is a symmetrical dimension. Okay, so this is a deviation, bilateral. This is symmetrical. Bilateral means a deviation. Bilateral means only one side. Then deviation means both side plus and value. We can change it. Here also bilateral. And there is a one option, upper limit and lower limit. Here what will be the upper limit? I can write this as upper limit is 40 and lower limit is 39.88. Okay, so I can give this dimension like this in limit form. So here it is a 3 types and basic is not mentioned here. So we'll do this. Now here I will make it symmetrical, and now see tolerance limit lower, it is de-highlighted because it is a symmetrical, and tolerance upper limit 15, lower limit will be same and it is not highlighted. And now click next, exit, escape. Now I will give you another dimension. This dimension, the dimension between, yes, 40, these two end lines. So I will give this dimension now. Click it here, linear, and click this line and this point and see here 40. Now I will select this and right click, properties. Okay, so no need to go dimension style. If you change the dimension style, all style will be changed. So this is the better way. Now go back, go to the last tolerances, and here what I want, here I want suppose a deviation, limit. See here limit, I selected limit and I will give you limit as 40 and 39.88. So I will give this here 0.12, the tolerance, enter. And now the upper limit and lower limit, is it same? No. 40, 39.88. 40, yeah, it is wrong. So this is a 0. This is a lower limit is 0, upper limit is 0, and lower limit is 0.12. Enter and see now what I want, it is there. Now escape and come out. So this one of the dimension I finished. Now next is deviation. Okay, 0, or if you have any value you can put it here, here also. So I will explain the last type, and that is here. Give the linear dimension from here to here and right here 65, right click, properties, and go to the last, and here you can mention deviation, and you can change the upper limit and lower limit, whatever given to you. 65 plus and minus, plus and 0. Yeah, it is correct. Is it 15 or different value? Yeah, it is 15. Okay, so escape this and come out. Now this is as per given dimension. So this is called a dimension tolerance. Now we'll move dimension tolerance. Now geometrical tolerance. So all these are geometrical tolerance. So what is mean by this perpendicular? What is mean by a parallel? What is mean by circle? What is mean by this center? So the meaning of this is, see now this circle is center with this line. Now this what is written, this line is parallel to the line mentioned by A. So there is not mention A. So you need to write here A. So here it is written. So this line somewhere, suppose this is A and this is A. So this line and this lines must be parallel. So it is mentioned. What is meant by concentric? Somewhere here written this, here, this 0, 0. So this big circle is concentric with this circle. So this is concentricity. So there are different symbols perpendicular. So which line? This line. This line should be perpendicular to A. Yes, it is correct. So you are not allowed to change any angle. No tolerance is provided. So this is called geometrical tolerance. Now I will show you how to give the geometrical tolerance. So here I didn't found the symbol for geometrical tolerance or dimensions where it is. It is difficult to find from here. Annotation. Here you will find, but the best way is give command tolerance, TOL, TOL, enter. See, this is called geometrical tolerance. Now, here you will see what is a symbol. Symbol. So your whatever you want, you can choose from here. Okay. So first, this symbol. I will select what I given to you here. I will draw this now. This 0.12 AC. What is mean by A is the datum, C is datum, means a reference, and this is a center. So I will give you here, I will select this symbol here. Then if it is a diameter, then you can click it here. If it is a circle or something, a dimension is given, then click. So no need here. So what is the value given to you here? 0.12. That value is RA value, tolerance value. So this is 0.12. 0.12 A and C. So tolerance 2 there is no. Datum is first A and below C. Below C, not here, not here. C. And there is no constraint here. Okay. And you can click it on OK. See now this symbol is here, and where I want to paste it, I will paste it here. See now. Now there is a line here and something written here in the diagram. I will draw this. 3 holes dia 6. Okay, if you have 4 holes, 5 holes, you can write there. Now I will draw this. 3 holes dia 6. So this is called a leader or single leader. So I will click it here and click from here because it is touching here, and click it here, and then you can write here the text. Yeah, see here it will come. Now what is there? 3 holes. Capital must be capital. HOLE, 3 holes. Dia. DIA, dia 6. Okay, just click outside. 3 holes, dia 6. And this is connected to this line also by the leader. You can see here leader line. Yes, this line. So I will draw here leader, and now from here I will click it and make ortho, and I will click it here. Okay, escape, and now right click properties, and I will make a leader straight arrow none. Go to right, close arrow, and here I will select none. Okay, so this is about the line, how, or you simply you can draw the line, no need of leader here. Okay. Now another dimension. So this is a geometrical tolerance. Now this parallelism you can give it same, and this concentricity you can give it same, or I can show you now this part how to draw this. Okay, so here on this line I will give you first dimension with this base. So here I will give you the dimension from this point, snap setting, because it is not showing. Snap setting, object to snap, select all. Okay, and now I will click it here and here, and I will mention it 25, and now that dimension if it is there, and now I will make it geometrical tolerance here, TOL, enter. And now what is the symbol given to you? Symbol is given concentricity 0.1 B. So here tolerance is 0.1 and datum is B. So there is no value here, and say OK and paste it here. Okay, and now this is connected by the leader, and the leader is different. So click on leader and click it here and here, and now escape, and I want this triangle. So properties and go to the leader, inverted triangle. So close field, I don't want this. I will go back, and is this datum triangle? Yes, and escape this. So you need to redraw this as it is. If this size is bigger, you can select this arrow and right click and change the property and go to the leader. Arrow size is 4, so I will make it 2. Everything is there, whatever you want. Just you need to read the English. Okay, if this also very big, you can make the text box height. Properties, yes, text height, you can make it 2. See, now it becomes small. It is if it is not looks good, you can change the text height. Okay, depends on zoom or zoom out. So this is done about this. Now I explain this geometrical tolerance. Now you can give yourself this also text, override text. I explained before, but I will explain here. Override dimension text. Now this is a 20 H8. So I will click it here, and inside or outside, inside is 20, from here to here, yeah, 20. Now I need to change this H8 properties, and here text, you can go text and override. So here I can write 20 H8 H8. So this will be overwritten, and see there, you can see 20 H8. There is no space, you can make it the spaceless property, and text, there is a no space. Yes, enter. Now it is closed. So this is finished now. Now this surface. So geometrical tolerance I explained, dimension tolerance, now surface. So this symbol we need to draw. So how to draw this symbol? If you take this one, this height 1, I explain in theory. If you take this height 1, then total height will be 2. If it is 1, it is 2. If it is 1x, 2x. And same symbol we will draw here. So I will click it anywhere, and now I will draw the vertical horizontal line 1 or 5 or 6, 7. So it is depend on you what you assume. So I will check with 5, enter, escape. Yeah, this is little good. And now I will draw down at the angle of 60, and again angle of 60. So this angle is minus 60 at the rate angle, sorry, at the rate phi angle minus 60, and I will draw the line at the rate 10 now, double. Okay, so double 10 angle plus 60, enter. See now, and horizontal also again 10. This arrow, I need this and I can make this arrow vertical, rotate about how it is asked to you. Now here it is a horizontal, here it is vertical, horizontal, here it is vertical. So I can keep this arrow like this arrow with the 2 3 options, like one copy here, copy selection from here, and I will paste it here, and one more here, and I will rotate it in opposite direction. So select this and right click rotate, and about this base point and rotate like this 90 degree, or minus 90, enter. Okay, and I will make this 180, right click rotate about this point. I need like this, uh, yes, like this, no need. One is this, and yeah, I will keep this. Okay, depends on where it is. So horizontal, see here, I want horizontal with no operation line. This line is not there, so I will draw value. I will copy only this part, move or copy with this point and paste it here where you want. Make it ortho off. So this is on this 5. You can see here again. Yes, for 65 line, on 65 line here, and escape now, and there is a value written 6.3. So I can write text and specify the start point. Start point is here. Specify the height 2.5, enter. Angle horizontal to right horizontal angle is 0, enter, and enter the text now 6.3 and enter, and escape. Okay, so this is a text here. I can make the little size, I can make little bigger size. Okay, so text height you can change it later on. It is too big because your line is 5 and the height is somehow 4 or something. So now this I finish. Now I will explain this, because this is same, this or this is same. So how to write the text, or this I will mention here. 1.6 I will draw. Now this is like this. I will select this part, right click, move or copy, and I will paste it here. Okay, and I think there is no horizontal line also, and 1.6. Now I need to write the text here. Text, click text, specify the point here. Now height I will keep it to, enter. Now what is the angle? I need to write like this, up 90. So I will write 90, enter. And what is the value? 1.6. 1.6. I enter, escape. See now. Okay, so this is about the surface finish symbol. So whatever I explained, there are 3 types, and I explained 3. So all dimensions you need to draw, and with all dimensions, not even single missing, you need to upload this file within the time mentioned on the blackboard. So we'll save this file and upload this. And as I told you, it is a blackboard, sorry, title block, and this drawing, see here it will come, and this window is active now. I will delete this part, and you can draw here also, and I can make this like this. And whenever I want to change my ID, if I want to change my ID, so I will double click on outside the box, and now this border is active. Now you can click it here, and you can change your, you can keep your ID, checked by your teacher name, designed by your ID, date, today's date. You can check it and write the date. Date you can write today's date, and title you can write lab exercise 9.1, and it will become here. Okay. Okay. So now if you zoom it, the whole frame is zoom. So if you want to go inside, say, if you want to go inside, double click inside, and now this is active. Say, okay. So save this file and plot this also, and save as PDF or JPG, and upload both file on Blackboard. So thank you very much.